Not all TV shows are created equal when it comes to multitasking. In today's video, I am sharing my top 10 favorite TV series that are perfect to watch while we crochet. These are shows that are light, easy to follow, and don't demand our full attention. Because, let's face it, our hands are busy creating magic. Hi everyone, if you're new here in the channel, I am Bianca from Crocheniacs, and if you want to learn how to crochet amigurumi from scratch, or if just like me, you love everything amigurumi related, then this is the right channel for you. And today I wanted to create a bit more relaxing video, and I'm sharing with you 10 easy watch TV series. So grab your yarn, get comfy, and let's dive in. Number 1 in my list is a classic. It's Friends. Whether if it's Ross in his break drama or Chandler's sarcasm, I think Friends can keep you easily entertained without having to look at the screen all the time. Number 2 in my list is The Office.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
And the first time I watched it, I was a bit skeptic, but then I understood the humor behind it. And I love The Office. Of course, I love Steve Carell. He's amazing. But the thing is that I think this quirky humor makes it so easy to follow. And we are talking about TV series that are easy to follow when we crochet. Because, for example, let's talk about a complex one. Dark. Well, not only because the TV series ends in German, and I don't speak German, it's complex. It requires so much from you. You have to pay attention. And even when you pay attention, you're like, oh my God, I don't understand what happened. Why did it happen? You get lost. You cannot be distracted in some TV series like Dark or, I don't know, Game of Thrones. They are excellent, but not for crocheting. And I think series like The Office that are quirky and a bit silly sometimes, they are perfect to entertain us while we crochet. TV series number 3, Jane the Virgin. Well, if you're looking for something fun and a bit dramatic, well, Jane the Virgin is perfect. This TV series has a more telenovela style, which is super fun. There are some episodes that are silly and they were not fun. Some episodes I were like, this is not fun at all. But it was simply something that I could leave in the screen while I crocheted. And even if you lose a couple of minutes, it does not make a super difference in the end because it's simply simple. It's a simple story. And I loved watching it. TV series number 4, Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Go. No doubt.
I love Brooklyn. And I don't know how many times I've watched it. Well, I think the TV series that I watched the most in my life was Friends, because I started watching Friends in 1998. I was a kid and I started watching it while it was still happening, and after it ended I watched thousands of times already. But Brooklyn Nine-Nine is one of those series that I watched a lot because it's one of my husband's favorite TV series and it's super fun. I love Jake Peralta. Is in the beginning he was he's silly, I don't like him that much, but he's hilarious. And the actor, he's so smart. I love that he created so many things for the series. He's this silly, stupid guy in the series, but the actor is super smart, which I think is amazing. And I like all the actors there. So Brooklyn is a very good series to watch while I crochet. TV series number 5, Gilmore Girls. Most of the TV series that I'm talking here are those comedy ones because they are easygoing. So I decided to include something that feels a bit more cozy. And Gilmore Girls, I think, is perfect for that. I watched Gilmore Girls recently. I think it has been I don't know, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. I didn't watch Gilmore Girls while it was going on. I don't know, I didn't get the series when I was young, but when I watched it, as I said, 2 or 3 years ago, I loved it. It was amazing, and I watched it while crocheting. And I don't know, at least for me, there are so many daily life problems and drama. You can relate to so many things that happen in the series. I really like it. I think it's cozy. This is the word that, at least for me, defines what I felt while watching Gilmore Girls. TV series number 6 is something that I am watching right now. I had never watched it before, although it's the oldest of the TV series from my list, and it's Golden Girls. Please don't be mad at me, but I had never watched Golden Girls before, and I'm watching it now. I'm actually in like season 2, 3. I'm still watching it, and it's so good. The jokes are timeless. Of course, sometimes they talk about some actor or singer from the 80s, and I don't know because I was not born in the 80s, although I know lots of bands and actors from that time. Sometimes they mention things that are not relatable to me, but the jokes are timeless, and that's amazing. So if you had never tried watching Golden Girls, please put that on your list because I am sure you're going to have a lot of fun. TV series number 7, How I Met Your Mother.
Challenge accepted.
And I put it here because How I Met Your Mother, I watched like 3 or 4 times already. And this one is interesting because I watched while it was still going on. I watched the whole TV series and then it ended and I kept watching it like for the second and third and fourth time. And I really like it. There are some things in the series that I don't agree that much, but overall it's good. Silly jokes, silly stuff that we don't need to focus while we crochet, and that's what we need, right? And something that I really like about How I Met Your Mother is the narration. I mentioned that the Jane the Virgin, it's like a telenovela style, and there is a narrator in the story, which is super fun. I liked it so much. The same thing happens with How I Met Your Mother. And of course, it's like Ted Mosby, which is the father, telling the kids about the story. But it's so nice, the way that they fit the narration in the story. I really do enjoy it. And out of curiosity, because I had to mention it, last year, I met the actor Jason, who's the actor who made Marshall Erickson. I met him here in my city. I even posted on Instagram. I was so happy. I was like, oh my God. I was so stupid, but I was so happy that I met him. I was super amazed with the fact that I met him here in my city in Finland. So just out of curiosity. TV series number 8, Modern Family.
Mitchell?
I love Modern Family. I cannot count how many times I've watched it, and I don't mind watching TV series like more than once, especially when they are good, like the ones that I am mentioning here. Modern Family is amazing. It's not so relatable because, I mean, it's Modern Family and the families are so different. And that's what makes the TV series so interesting, how they accept each other's difference and how they live with that. It's amazing. But the jokes are funny. There are so many characters and they are all so good. Sometimes the story is focused in one character or the other, and it's always good. It's like, sometimes I feel like if a TV series has 10 seasons, it starts really good, and from, I don't know, the season 5 or season 6 on, it starts to go down, and that's why TV series end, a lot of them. But Modern Family, at least for me, I feel like it's funny for such a long time. The kids grow up and it's still funny. I don't know how they managed to do that, but I love the series. If you're enjoying this video so far and the TV series that I selected for this different video that I'm creating for the channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new video, do's and don'ts, tips and tricks that I bring here to the channel every week. So let's get back and see what are the last 2 TV series that I separated for today. TV series number 9, Seinfeld. Yeah, I know Seinfeld is an old TV series, but I love it. I love it so much. And they even make fun of it. It's a show about nothing. There is no theme because How I Met Your Mother has a theme. Golden Girls has a theme. Gilmore Girls, Friends, everything that I'm mentioning here has a main theme. And Seinfeld even makes fun of it because it's a show about nothing. But he's so smart and the jokes are so good. I love Elaine. Elaine is like, her jokes are timeless. I love her style and how modern the character was for the time. So I think it's completely worth it. If you have never watched Seinfeld, please give it a go, especially when you're crocheting because it don't need to pay attention that much to still understand and get the jokes. And the last one, TV series number 10. I have to tell you the truth. I wrote 3 TV series, but I didn't want to make like 13 TV series to watch. I wanted 10. I wanted like this round number, like 10, to finish my list. And it was really hard. But I decided that the last one in my list is The Big Bang Theory. Bazinga. I love The Big Bang Theory. This one I watched a couple of times as well. Oh my god, you might be thinking that I have nothing else to do because I watched all these TV series so many times in my life. Well, I like to multitask. If I am cleaning the house, if I am crocheting, if I am doing other stuff, I like to keep this kind of TV series going on. And The Big Bang Theory has such an amazing humor, but at least the first seasons, because in the last few seasons, I didn't like it that much. I feel like they lost a lot of the humor. There was still some things that were funny and interesting, but especially the beginning of the first, I don't know, 5 or 6 seasons, they were amazing. I love The Big Bang Theory. I love the jokes. Although sometimes it's a bit harder because especially Sheldon, he speaks so fast about physics and I don't know, chemistry and so many difficult topics that we don't even know what those things are. But still, what matters is the joke. And the jokes are super funny. Totally worth it to watch while we crochet. And that's it for this video. I would love to hear from you. What are your favorite TV series to watch when you crochet? Do you have a favorite TV series that I didn't mention here in today's video? Please let me know in the comments because maybe I can add this to my list. It's always good to have new TV series to watch. Thank you so much. I'll leave you this video here and I'll see you next week.